Hello everyone. Today we are going to discuss the answer key of chapter 3 from 7th class, A Hero. First of all, we have these vocabulary words that you can learn. Like this. Then we have the character sketch. Swami. Swami is a small boy studying in the second class. He is rather a mama's boy, not much used to the outside world. Means he just used to live only with mama or grandmother. He doesn't know anything about the outside world. He can't believe that a boy can fight a tiger. Swami himself is far from being brave, but his father forces him to sleep as is all alone. Very imaginative by nature, Swami is troubled by imaginary ghosts and devils in the office, but when he is face to face with the real danger, he discovers his ability to handle crisis very well, and he gets a notorious burglar arrested. Then we have father's character sketch. Father is a strict disciplinarian and believes in the saying, spare the rod and spoil the child. ज़्यादा बच्चे को अगर हम छूट देते हैं तो वो स्पॉइल हो जाता है. A village boy's act of bravery in the jungle inspires him to test the courage of his son studying in the second form. He is stubborn enough to have his way in certain matters. In spite of objections by the mother and granny, he compels Swami to sleep alone in the office, thinking that it would make Swami courageous and independent. Though Swami considers his father to be cruel, yet he is not so. Everybody consider him his father. He is a cruel, but in real sense he was not cruel. He just wants his child to be courageous. He wants Swami to grow up to be brave, courageous and strong. Next we have the worksheets from the chapter. Each statement given below contains one wrong word or phrase which makes the complete statement false. Underline the wrong words or phrases and replace them with the correct ones to make the statement true. One has been done for you. Swami's father read the report of a lad's bravery in a weekly magazine. Weekly magazine was not the word, it was newspaper. The boy was rescued by some people who captured the tiger. Tiger was not captured, it was killed. Swami seemed convinced of the boy's bravery. Swami seemed unconvinced of the boy's bravery. Next, Swami had always kept beside his mother. No, he slept beside his grandmother. Swami proposed to sleep alone beginning with the same night. It was not same night, it is from the next month. He told his father he will start sleeping alone from the next month. Swami studied in 4th grade? No, he studied in 2nd grade. Swami had to sleep alone in the hall? No, in the office hall. Next question answer. How did Swami react to the news of the village lad's bravery? How was the reaction different from his father's reaction? Swami reached to the newspaper by saying that a small boy could not fight a tiger and that he must be a grown-up man. His reaction was different from his father's reaction, as his father believed the courage is everything, strength and age are not important. What was a challenge given to Swami by his father? How did he receive it? The challenge given to Swami by his father was to sleep alone in the office room to prove his courage. It was the challenge. And how Swami received? Swami received it as a frightful proposition. Proposition means proposal. You can keep it in the bracket. However, Swami took it in a negative manner as he didn't want to sleep alone and tried to divert his father's attention by changing the subject of discussion. He changed his mind in the cricket, like that. Next we have describe Swami's feeling in the office room at night. In the office room, Swami felt himself cut off from humanity. Swami was afraid in the office room at night. He remembered all the stories of devils and ghosts he had heard in his life. He felt faint with fear. He was also racked with nightmares. Night means dreams, night dreams, frightened dreams. He was angry with his father for making his stay alone in the office room. He was not angry with the village lad. He felt that it was because of his story. He had come to his state of being alone in the office room. He felt horrible and full of despair. Every moment he expected devils to come up to carry him away. He hoped that any time any devil could come and he will carry me away. Next we have question 4. How did Swami catch the burglar? Swami suddenly woke up from his nightmare, from the frightened dream, and noticed someone moving in the room. He thought maybe a devil had come to tear him apart. He wanted to save himself, so the moment the person came nearby, he came out under the bench and bit him on his ankle. He took bite on his ankle with all his force. The burglar screamed in pain. Chillata hai. Hearing the noise, father, servant and cook came running to the office room and burglar was caught. Next we have describe Swami. From out of the some of the words are given there, adjectives, and out of them we have to find ki how Swami was. So Swami was clever because when his father put the frightened proposition to sleep alone in the office room, he tried to avert his father's mind to their cricket club. So that's why he was very clever, because he wanted to divert the mind of his father in any other talk. Swami was courageous because he slept alone in the office room and courageously caught the burglar by biting him almost to death. So he was a very courageous person. Swami was strong enough also to hug the burglar with all his might and not let it go without being beaten. बिना उसको बीट किए नहीं छोड़ा. So in this way he was very strong. Next we have various incidents in the story evoke contradictory reactions from Swami and his father. Complete the table given below, highlighting the difference opinions between the two. Father thought the village boy who had fought a tiger was very courageous, but what was the thinking of Swami? He must have been a very strong and grown up person, not at all a boy. And what was father thinking about this? Courage alone cannot do anything. Strength is also important. Father was thinking courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Father was thinking about sleeping alone would make Swami courageous and independent. But what Swami think? He thought that Swami felt that his father was cruel to him. He also felt cut off from humanity. Next we have Hots. Courage is everything. Strength and age are not important. Do you agree? Why or not? Why not? Yes, I agree with the above statement, because if we have courage, then we can solve all the obstacles of life. Obstacles means problems of life easily. Courage is an attitude and it is there in the mind. Means it is our mindset. If we can set our mind that we have the courage, it becomes our attitude, then we can take victory, we can get the victory from anywhere. Okay. Next we have life skills. Would you call Swami a hero? Why or why not? Yes, I'll call Swami a hero, though he caught the burglar by chance, but he is a small boy studying in 2nd grade. Even then he caught the burglar by chance, but as a second class boy, he was a very small. In my opinion, a second class child caught the burglar, so he should be called a hero. I think this was an act of bravery by Swami. So, in your opinion, it may be the another thing that he is not a hero. This is your opinion, but in my opinion, I wrote it. This is a life skill, so everybody has a different opinion. So in this way, next question we have: should children be allowed to face nasty situation in life, or should they be always kept protected? Now this is according to your opinion, है ना? So this question you will frame by your own. What you think? In the nasty situation, you should be allowed to face these situations, or you should be kept protected. But what I feel, it should be you should have to face the nasty situations in life anyhow. Whenever we have to face some like on nowadays COVID-19, है ना, everybody have to face each and every type of situation, so that we can protect ourselves in any manner. So in this way you will frame this answer in your words. Next we have values. It is said that Swami didn't like the strain of cruelty in his father's nature. Is Swami's father really cruel? No, I don't think that Swami's father is cruel. He was worried for his son's excessive dependence on the mother and grandmother. He wanted his son to be brave and strong. So he was not a cruel man. So this is beta a hero chapter 1 page synopsis. Means in this you will get all the chapters. Like father reads out an article printed in the newspaper to Swami about a village boy's bravery. This was the first incident. In the second incident, we came to know Swami was challenged to prove courage. And then Swami tried to escape the ordeal also. He wanted to escape. Then Swami having the lame excuses, and it was ignored by his father. And then Swami was in the grip of fear when he was commanded to sleep alone in the office room. Swami's encounter with the burglar then, and then burglar overpowered, and Swami was praised by all people. Then Swami back to his bed by Granny's side in the last incident. So all the incidents are covered in this 1 page synopsis that you can read and learn it by your own, all the incidents of the chapter. Thank you and have a nice day.